I'm going to start with my marinade, and here I have a cup of water. And I'm going to add just a little bit more water because I have some water and a sweetener. So I'm going to add a tablespoon of maple syrup. We're going to add the balance of sweetness and saltiness. Then I'm going to add 2/4 of a teaspoon of salt. I'm going to add some smoked paprika, some black pepper, some fennel seeds, and some smoke liquid. I'm going to combine this together. And here I have tofu, extra firm tofu, and I have it into strips. I have it into slices. And I'm going to pour it into here, but before I do that, I'm going to add a little soy sauce. Now I'm going to pour it into the container. And ideally, we want to marinate this about 24 hours, but we're going to marinate it for about 30 minutes so we can make our sandwich. Now you can make affordable sandwiches right in the comfort of your home. Delicious ham sandwiches, turkey sandwiches without the pain. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.